DIGIRASE AI Decision Intelligence Engine. Structure complexity. Challenge assumptions. Make better informed decisions. Complex business decisions shouldn't depend on instinct, incomplete information, or a single AI answer. The DIGIRASE AI Decision Intelligence Engine is a premium AI-powered decision support system designed to help entrepreneurs, founders, executives, consultants, strategists, and business leaders structure complex decisions, challenge assumptions, evaluate alternatives, analyze uncertainty, and make better informed strategic choices. Instead of asking AI, "What should I do?" this system gives you a professional framework for building the reasoning behind the decision. From complexity to decision intelligence. Work through a complete decision architecture. Context, evidence, alternatives, criteria, trade-offs, uncertainty, scenarios, risk, decision learning. Inside the engine. Decision definition and context mapping. Stakeholder intelligence, evidence architecture. Assumption register. Information gap detection. Alternative generation engine. Decision criteria architecture. Weighted decision matrix. Trade-off intelligence. Uncertainty mapping. Scenario intelligence engine. Second-order effects analysis. Reversibility analysis. Pre-mortem analysis. Decision risk radar. Sensitivity analysis. Strategic option value. Dependency mapping. AI Red Team challenge. Cognitive bias detection. Decision confidence score. Executive decision brief. Decision log and learning system. 25 professional decision tools. Build and reuse professional tools including evidence ledger, assumption register, weighted decision matrix, trade-off matrix, intelligence matrix, scenario consequence chain map, risk radar, sensitivity map, pre-mortem worksheet, strategic option value matrix, AI Red Team report, decision confidence score, executive decision brief, decision log, post-decision review, and more. Strategic AI prompt system. Access 50+ advanced AI prompts created specifically for decision intelligence, not generic prompt collections. Use AI to help. Challenge assumptions. Analyze evidence. Generate alternatives. Explore scenarios. Detect blind spots. Stress test reasoning. Identify potential biases. Analyze risks. Examine second-order effects. Synthesize executive recommendations. 6 real-world decision labs. See the complete system applied to strategic situations such as: should we enter a new market? Should we launch this product? Build versus buy versus partner. Which project should receive investment? Should we increase capacity now? Should we adopt a new AI platform? The final deliverable. Bring the entire process together with the DIGIRASE Strategic Decision Intelligence Blueprint. A comprehensive framework that integrates evidence, assumptions, alternatives, criteria, scenarios, risks, trade-offs, dependencies, red team findings, recommendation, execution, and post-decision learning. Plus a one-page executive decision dashboard for decision-ready summaries. Built for entrepreneurs, founders, executives, business owners, consultants, strategists, product leaders, innovation teams, strategy teams, decision makers. What you'll receive: complete AI decision intelligence system, 28 decision intelligence modules, 25 professional decision tools, 50+ strategic AI prompts, 6 real-world decision labs, strategic decision intelligence blueprint, executive decision dashboard, decision quality checklist, premium PDF edition, instant digital download, lifetime access, English edition. Better decisions are built, not guessed. Price, $89. Product, premium digital system. AI should not make consequential decisions for you. It should help you structure information, challenge your thinking, explore alternatives, expose uncertainty, and strengthen the quality of your reasoning. Structure complexity. Challenge assumptions. Make better informed decisions. DIGIRASE. Building intelligence that evolves systems. Nilcelio Lopez Oliveira. Founder DIGIRASE. nilceliocafe@hotmail.es. DIGIRASE Stan Store https://stan.store/nilceliocafe_199